Moi kaikki! Today is another word builder series, which means we will learn one Finnish word and use that word to create multiple new words. Today's word is tunti. 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 Tunti, which means an hour. 1 hour. Tunti. Tunti. This is a word you may already be familiar with if you've watched my time series. And you can use the word tunti and combine it with other words in Finnish to create new words, thus making them easier to remember. For example, tunti means an hour. If you combine it with the word yksityis, which means kind of like private, yksityis plus tunti, yksityistunti, means a private lesson, a private tutoring lesson. Yksityistunti, yhdyssana, yksityistunti, yksityistunti, yksityistunti. You can see also the word yksi is in that, meaning private, one-on-one, yksityistunti. Varasin yksityistunnin italkissa. I booked a private lesson on italki. Varasin yksityistunnin italkissa, which kind of segues us into the sponsor of this video, italki. You can book Finnish language conversation yksityistunteja, plural, yksityistunteja, on a website called italki. I've been a tutor on italki now for a few weeks, having casual conversation sessions where I help you gain confidence and practice your Finnish speaking skills. So far, I've done about 22 tuntia, and here is a brief clip with one of my students.
Minä olin Ville.
Moi Ville, mä oon sun lääkäri. Miksi olet tänään täällä?
Ahaa, minulla on flunssa.
Onko sulla kuumetta?
Joo. 37 astetta kuumetta.
Entä päänsärkyä?
Joo, paljon päänsärkyä ja kurkkukipiä.
Onko sulla yskää?
Joo, vähän uskaa.
Onko sulla väsymystä?
Joo, paljon väsymystä.
No mä annan sulle vähän lääkettä. Joo, ja lepää kotona pari päivää.
Kyllä, kiitos.
Kiitos. Heippa. If you're new to italki, you can get 3 trial classes at a reduced price. And as an ambassador, I have a coupon code for you to use as well called CAT2024. With this code, you can get €5 off of any class that's over €10. So use the link in my description to start browsing classes today. Another word you can create with the word tunti. Tunti is hyppytunti. Hyppy. Do you remember what hyppy means? Hyppy. Hyppy. It means jump. So jump hour in Finnish, literally translated. Hyppytunti means free period. For example, at school, if you have classes and then you have a block of free time in the middle before more chunks of classes, this free period is called hyppytunti. Hyppytunti. Mulla on tänään 1 hyppytunti. 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 Free period. What about tunti plus palkka? Tunti, palkka. Tunti, palkka. Tunti, hour. Palkka is wage or salary. So tunti palkka would be hourly wage. If you have a job where you're not paid monthly, but you're paid by how many hours you work, you're receiving an hourly wage. In Finnish, this is called tuntipalkka. tuntipalkka. Matti on töissä tuntipalkalla. Matti on töissä tuntipalkalla. Tuntipalkka. Entä ruoka plus tunti? Ruokatunti. I don't know which way in the camera it will be. Is it reversed? Ruoka means food. Tunti, hour. Food hour. Lunchtime. Food break. So if you are working or at school and you have a ruokatunti, this usually will refer to the lunch period or the lunchtime that is set aside for eating. Meidän ruokatunti kestää 1 tunnin. Meidän ruokatunti kestää 1 tunnin. What would you call this YouTube video? Some might call it a oppitunti. Oppitunti. Oppi is learning, to learn. Learning hour. Oppitunti translates to a lesson or class. So in school, you would attend various oppituntis. Oppitunti. Suomessa, oppitunti usually lasts 45 minutes at an average school. Now I'm talking about primary and secondary level, even high school. Usually the class time are divided into chunks of 45 minutes. 45 minuuttia. Oppitunti. Oppitunti alkaa kello 9. Oppitunti alkaa kello 9. Liikuntatunti. Liikunta plus tunti. Liikuntatunti. Liikunta means exercise. Exercise hour is PE, physical education, so PE class at school. Liikuntatunti. Nyt alkaa liikuntatunti. Puhekieli, or a bit more slangy word for this that kids sometimes use is liikka or liikkatunti. Liikkatunti tarkoittaa samaa kuin liikuntatunti. Another more school-related word is välitunti. Väli plus tunti, välitunti. Väli is kind of like a gap or in between something. The gap between the hour. I don't know the exact translation of that. Välitunti, it would mean recess. So in Finland, there are usually a 15-minute välitunti few times per day koulussa. Välitunti. Kohta on välitunti. 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 Recess. The next is a set of phrases that mean the same thing but are just slightly different. So really you can kind of pick and choose which one you like the best or whichever one you happen to remember. So these 3 words are tuntikaupalla, tuntitolkulla, ja tuntikausia. Basically what these phrases all mean is for ages or for several hours. Istuin tuntikaupalla. I was sitting for ages. I was sitting for several hours. I was sitting for so long. Istuin tuntikaupalla. Tai istuin tuntitolkulla tietokoneen ääressä. So if you are tietokoneen ääressä, you're at the computer, like in front at by the computer doing computer stuff. Istuin tuntitolkulla. I was sitting for several hours. I was sitting for ages, for so long, for hours on end. Tietokoneen ääressä. Tai läksyjen tekemisessä kesti tuntikausia. Läksy means homework. Läksy. Läksyjen tekemisessä, doing homework, kesti, took, past tense of take, tuntikausia, forever, ages, for so long, hours on end. Läksyjen tekemisessä kesti tuntikausia. Alright, so those are a bunch of yhdyssanoja that you can create using the Finnish word tunti. Tunti. Kiitos paljon kun katsoitte ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!